Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Remy here. Today I'm going to share with you this creamy chicken spaghetti that's very easy to make. So I've used air fryer here to make chicken and air fried tomatoes, and the noodles, the spaghetti is done in skillet. So let's see how to make this. Here you can see how beautiful this looks. It's one of my kids' favorite recipe, and they don't like too much of creamy or cheesy meal, so this is in moderation I've used. I'll mention all the ingredients used here in the description below. So let's see how to do this. In a large pot, bring salted water to a boil, add the whole box of spaghetti and cook according to the package instruction, and drain and set aside. So here my son is plucking some cherry tomatoes. Look how gorgeous these look, red cherry tomatoes. I'm taking 2 chicken breasts here, cut it into small chunk size, like a chicken nugget size. We're going to marinate it. I have washed the chicken breast. Now adding paprika, garlic powder. I'll mention all the ingredients used here in the description below. You can later take the screenshot after watching the video. So here I'm adding parsley, 1 teaspoon, chili flakes, you can add all in half tablespoon moderation, oregano, this is cayenne pepper, it's optional. I like little spice in our recipe, so I'm adding that. Black pepper, coarsely crushed, and here I'm adding salt. Next we add a tablespoon of oil. As we're going to air fry this, I've added little oil so that it doesn't burn. And here marinating all the chicken and the spices, and it's ready to be air fried. The red color is from the paprika that we added. Now we're putting all the chicken cubes like this on the tray to be air fried. 380 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. You do not need to flip it because it will cook evenly, as we have not added any foil underneath the chickens. I'm going to air fry cherry tomatoes also. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add to the tray. I like to add little garlic finely chopped here. You can add as it is also. As I'm not adding the sun-dried tomatoes, I don't have it handy, I'm going to air fry it so that we get that burnt or dried look for the tomato. And I like that tomatoes to be little, fried. So chicken is ready. We're going to air fry the tomatoes at 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now in a pan or a skillet, add little oil. I have taken 1 onion here, finely chopped. Add the chopped garlics. To make this recipe quickly, I have added the chicken in the air fryer, or else you can just cook everything in the skillet only. You can first create the spices and cook the chicken first, and then the tomatoes you can add to it and take it aside, and then this process you can do it again in the same skillet with the same oil and spices. I'm here adding oregano, parsley. The tomato is done. I want this burnt look for the tomatoes, and it tastes really good. Add to this. Guys, my spatula, the silicone spatula broke, so I'm using this stainless steel. I know how to use it. There's no scratch, or I'm not scratching the base of the skillet. So once the onion and tomato is nicely cooked, add the whipping cream here. You can also add 1 cup of vegetable stock or chicken stock broth to make it little runny. And here I'm adding a tablespoon of all-purpose flour to little thicken it. Then I'm adding here oregano, black pepper, little salt. I'm cooking this in medium-low heat. You don't want the cream to burn or dry up quickly, so cook this in medium-low heat. Now give it a good mix. Here I'm adding half cup of mixed cheese. You can add mozzarella and parmesan here. I added the cheese that was handy or available at home that time. You can add mozzarella, half cup, and half cup of parmesan. Give it a good mix. Now add the cooked spaghetti here. Stir well to combine and let the mixture simmer for 5 minutes. Next we're going to combine everything here. So we're going to add the cooked chicken back to the skillet and stir to coat in the sauce. And toss everything together until the spaghetti is evenly coated. You can add Parmesan cheese at this point and continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is melted and the sauce is creamy and smooth. And garnish with parsley and serve hot. Enjoy your creamy chicken spaghetti. Enjoy the spaghetti hot. The longer you keep the spaghetti on the countertop or in a skillet like this, the cheese starts to dry up. So if you want the spaghetti to be creamy, like a runny texture, you can add more cream here and simmer it for another 5 minutes. That will give you a nice texture, like a creamy texture that you want. And here you can see how good it looks. It tastes really good with full of flavors in it. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. I'll be coming up with more interesting recipes in my channel. Please subscribe and click on the all notification button, so whenever there's a new video upload from me, you will get the notification. See you all. Take care. Bye bye and enjoy.